Ranger, move. Can you dump the water in there? Yeah, it's heavy. Dump it in the pool. Dump it in the pool, Jack. Yeah, it's going to take a while if you're just going to dip your finger in it. There you go. Look at how strong you are. Yep, pour it in the pool. Yep, pour it in the pool. Here, pour it in the pool.
No.
No, you're going to do it. Just pour it in the pool. There you go. Tip it over. You got it. Tip it over. There you go. Now lift it up. Lift it up. There you go. There you go. Good job. Such a strong boy. My goodness. Good job. Good job. Yeah. You get away with the cards.